Hello friends, today we are going to draw flower pot. First draw a big square with any color chalk as per your choice. Then mark two dots for line. Here we draw two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. In this way, here we get many squares in the big square. Now fill the square with any color as per your choice. Now we are going to draw flowers. Here we draw leaves with the green color. Now with the help of red color, first we draw dot and after that we draw circle around the dot. Now fill color in the leaves. Using blue color, here we draw another flower. Now fill the color inside the circle like this. Now make outline dark so that our picture looks beautiful. Now using yellow color, fill the circle. Again here we dark our outline. By using square and circle, here our picture is ready. Do practice at home with the color chalk.